Hi guys. For cooking Bhindi dopyaaza we need 8 to 10 big lady fingers and cut them into big pieces. 2 big onions and cut into big slices. Take 2 medium sized onions and cut them into smaller pieces along with 2 chilies. We take 1 big tomato and cut it into very small pieces. Kashmiri chili, turmeric, salt and coriander powder. We need sugar and garam masala also, and we will make the paste of half ginger and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We will take one big spoon of curd or yogurt. Heat the oil and transfer those big pieces of onion into oil and fry it for some time, not for very long. When they become light brown in color, transfer these onions into another plate. Take those big pieces of lady fingers and fry it in oil for some time. And transfer these lady fingers to the plate. Now in this oil, add cumin, fry your cumin for some time. Now add onion and chilies and fry it also. When they become brown in color, add tomatoes and ginger garlic paste. Add some water at this point. Cover the lid for proper cooking, and now gently press the tomatoes so that they can be cooked thoroughly. Now add your chili, turmeric, salt and coriander spices along with some water and start cooking again for some time. At this stage, when it becomes brown, yellow, you add your okras or ladyfinger back to it and cook it for some more time. Cover it with the lid for some time. Add some water. Now add the curd or yogurt and mix it very quickly. At this point you have to add sugar and garam masala. And some kasturi methi. In the last you have to add back those big slices of onions which we took in the earlier stage, and your recipe or your okras are ready to eat. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.